Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage multiple Binance accounts effectively. First, it's crucial to understand Binance's terms regarding account ownership to ensure compliance. We'll then explore legitimate strategies for handling different trading needs, such as separating personal and business finances. This includes leveraging features like sub-accounts, which are designed for specific use cases and offer enhanced organizational capabilities. Let's dive into the details. Binance offers sub-account functionality, primarily for institutional or VIP users, and also for futures trading. To set one up, navigate to your main account dashboard and look for the sub-account section. From there, you can create new sub-accounts, allocate specific funds to each, and manage their trading permissions. This allows for better organization of diverse trading strategies or for managing funds for different purposes under one main entity. Once you have your accounts or sub-accounts configured, effective management is key. You can use separate sub-accounts to segregate different trading strategies, like spot trading versus futures trading, or even for distinct investment portfolios. This clear separation helps you track performance more accurately and manage risk independently for each segment. It's like having multiple dedicated workspaces for your financial endeavors. Security is paramount when managing multiple accounts. Always enable two-factor authentication on every account for an extra layer of protection. Use strong, unique passwords that are not easily guessed. Regularly review your account activity and security settings to detect any unauthorized access promptly. Staying vigilant ensures your assets remain secure across all your managed accounts on Binance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.